tu tentang subjek Oshe, dikatakan sebagai Code of Professional Conduct in Engineering Ethics. Okey, korang kenalkan diri tu mana?
Okey, Assalamualaikum. Saya Lieutenant Muhammad Ibn Syawal bin Awam. Sebagai ketua grup ketiga di 10 sekolah yang ada di Barak. Saya mula berkhidmat sejak Januari 2019 selepas saya tamat dalam ijazah sarjana muda daripada Universiti Pertahanan Nasional Malaysia dalam bidang kejuruteraan awam.
Kalau tuan buat satu projek sebagai jurutera, tuan contohlah ada buat satu insiden macam kecedera macam tu, tuan akan tengok undang-undang dalam menteri ke atau selamatkan orang itu macam
Ke protokol ke ataupun terus langkah?
Okey, in case ada berlaku kecelakaan lah dalam ketika melakukan kerja tu, kita akan tengok dia punya insiden tu yang berlaku tu. Okay, kalau macam benda tu tak melibatkan ketidakadilan yang teruk ataupun apa, kita akan merujuk dia kepada hospital lah apa semua tu. Maksudnya tak ada yang besar, contoh macam dia kena impak bumbu runtuh ke apa ke, tak ada. So benda tu kita boleh by dalaman kita, tak ada yang melibatkan orang luar.
Rasanya tolong terangkan tentang kebajikan ataupun welfare anggota-anggota ataupun bawang kamu.
Okey, bagi kebajikan anggota ni yang seperti yang disebutkan tadi, contoh pembak fair tu lah. Walaupun dalam kita tegak bekerja tu, kita kena adil. Maksudnya macam bila contoh ada apa-apa berlaku pada family dia apa semua, first kita akan tengok dulu keperluan dia, ataupun contoh mak dia dekat kampung ke apa, contoh adik-adik dia seorang, so kita boleh bagi pelepasan kepada dia. Contoh kalau macam adik-adik dia apa semua ada dekat situ, so kita boleh hold dia dulu untuk kita just monitor, update dia punya perkembangan. Mungkin ada kes kecemasan ke apa dia, kita akan tengok benda tu dulu. So budak tu kita akan perhatikan dia.
Generasi akan datang ataupun anggota bawahan kamu ataupun student, nasihat pada student dari segi etika, profesionalism.
Okay, kalau bagi saya lah, kalau dalam bidang engineering ni, saya cakap okay, macam contoh saya lepas dari Bmmu dan terus akan melibatkan diri dalam tentera. So apa yang kita pakai tu memang apa yang kita belajar tu memang kita akan apply masa kita kerja ni. Lebih-lebih lagi sebagai saya sebagai askar jurutera, so yang melibatkan projek-projek ni, walaupun dia hanya melibatkan projek kecil senggaraan, walaupun hanya senggaraan, tapi dia still melibatkan knowledge yang kita belajar masa dulu. So benda tu akan berguna dari masa semasa lah. So kita still akan guna benda tu untuk masa depan. Dia tak habis masa belajar tu.
Okey. Itu je. Terima kasih tuan. Ilmu yang tuan bagi saya kongsi tu akan berguna. Amat berguna tuan. Okey, terima kasih tuan.
Terima kasih tuan. Welcome user for our interview section. Okay, before we start, we like to introduce ourselves. So I'm Rakesh. The second is Nabila. The third one is Ruaida. So first, sir, can you introduce your background and your company background?
Okay, sure. Like I said, I've graduated from University Tenaga Nasional, Bangi, back in 2015 in Bachelor's of Mechanical Engineering. So after that, my first job was working in Rekron, Malaysia, about 4 years plus, manufacturing polyester into the maintenance team, to the core maintenance team, and how you're managing and maintain your machines and all. So after that, this is my second job actually. I'm currently working in NSL Melaka. Just started this year January, and it's been going on fine so far. Inside the maintenance as well, as a maintenance engineer. So we move to our questions here. So the first question is when if I'm registered under professional engineer in BEM actually. To be honest, yes. After I graduated, I did register under Board of Engineers in Malaysia. That was back in about 6 years ago. But to be honest, I haven't really follow up on that the schedule, the trainings and all, because to be honest, working life is like too inside that you couldn't come out from the couldn't focus on any other thing. But as far as I know, I have been documenting my experience yearly in terms of maintenance or projects as well. Okay, moving on to the next question. The difference between BEM and IEM, I believe.
Yes.
Okay. One thing ini, BEM is under government. It's a registered organization under government, whereas IEM is more towards a society of engineers where we gather around, share similar interests, similar ideas of how to tackle daily problems and all.
For that, and for the next question is, if you don't mind, can you give an example of what thing that always happen in your workplace that against the ethic of engineering?
Example on things that always happen. Okay. So like I said, even though we have these strings of documents and all, but somehow, when we deal with humans, it's sometimes it's difficult to control them. Mainly contractors, they will do. We have some violation over here and there. The problem happens when they take a shortcut. Basically speaking, yes. Like that particular job, they can do it safely by wearing your safety helmet, safety harness, safety gloves. But instead, they choose to do it on the spot without wearing this kind of PPE. This kind of ethics is totally wrong and goes against our professional ethics. So what we will do is that we will give a verbal warning, and immediately if they don't follow, we will ban the contractors. So this is pretty huge violation of our safety. And this kind of thing will create near miss. Near miss is any incident that goes unreported. Okay, like in terms of safety, we can say that if there is a 9 near miss, the 10th one will be an accident. So reporting the near miss is one of the ethics we need to follow as an engineer.
Okay, for the last question,
Okay.
did you think people need to register as a professional or graduate engineer in order to work as an engineer?
Yeah, definitely, because that's where you have you may be doing something technical along the years, but by registering yourself into the BM, you are actually documenting your experience. Like someone from the government knows that okay, this engineer is doing this kind of work and all in the particular company. So what happens when you switch company about like every 2 years and all? So that information or that experience is very valuable, and when you document it, then you can have a clear pathway to take their exams or trainings, so that you can obtain that professional engineer, which is IR in front of the name. So every university should have this awareness to guide their graduates to straight away go and apply under the graduate engineer under BEM, Board of Engineers of Malaysia. Yeah. So anything else? I just want to say all the best to you guys. Go out there, your work. Be a ethical professional engineer. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.